Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a premium cold press juicer for healthy and nutrient rich juices? In today's video, we'll review the Atomberg Althea cold press juicer and see whether it's worth buying in 2026. The Atomberg Althea is a premium cold press juicer designed for extracting nutrient rich juices from fruits and vegetables while preserving natural taste and nutrition. Inside the box, Atomberg provides all the essential accessories required for juicing and maintenance. The juicer comes with a sleek vertical design that looks modern and occupies less kitchen space. One of the biggest highlights is the extra large hopper that allows users to add larger fruit pieces with minimal preparation. Operating at just 40 rpm, the juicer extracts juice slowly, helping retain nutrients, enzymes, and natural flavors. The slow extraction process helps produce smooth and nutrient-rich juice while leaving comparatively drier pulp. The Intelli Rev technology automatically reverses operation whenever a jam is detected, improving convenience and reducing interruptions. Safety is another strong point. The juicer includes multiple protection mechanisms to ensure worry-free usage. The juicer is designed for hassle-free assembly and can be set up within a few minutes. Cleaning is simple, thanks to detachable components and a design that minimizes pulp accumulation. The Atomberg Althea can be used for a variety of beverages including fruit juices, vegetable juices, and even nut milk preparation. The build quality feels premium and sturdy, making it suitable for regular home use. While the machine is slightly heavy, it provides good stability during operation. These are the major advantages of the Atomberg Althea cold press juicer. However, there are few points buyers should consider before purchasing. If you regularly consume fresh juices and want convenience along with advanced features, this juicer is worth considering. For users seeking convenience, safety, and quality juice extraction, the Atomberg Althea is a compelling choice. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more detailed product reviews and comparisons. Also, let us know in the comments which product you would like us to review next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.